Hi guys, welcome back to Babsy Goes Vintage, your favorite channel for vintage and second-hand luxury items. Sad, but celebration. Celebration, celebration, na na na. I don't know why I keep singing when I have this voice, but it's just for you to feel the move. The mood, I mean. So today is a happy, sad, relieved Lizzo day because I was supposed to unbox a bag I bought on Vestiaire Collective, and I was super happy to find this bag for this price. I was like, oh my god, jackpot! So cheap, so original, what I love. And it was from Ferragamo, so you guys know my love for Ferragamo, even if it was not an iconic top handle. It's okay. The bag could not be perfect. Bought it in the middle of January, and I bought it. I checked the pictures. I was like, oh my god, it was written unused, so brand new. And I was super excited about that. So I paid. It was around, I don't know, $300. And when I paid, I was super confident. The seller was based in UK, England, and I was like, cool. Of course, every time I buy through Vestiaire Collective, I've already sold a few items. It hurts when you sell because you have to pay 35%, to the platform. So yeah, you lose a lot of money. And when you buy, you have to pay the item, the customs. It's already, in the price they will calculate for you. So this is good because you don't have to do an extra something. So that's cool. The customs, the shipping, extra ching ching money, and the control, the item control in Vestiaire Collective, because as you know, Vestiaire Collective is known for selling luxury items, but they are known for their value is that they will control your item, so they can know, they can check if the item is fake, if the item is damaged, and yeah, if the item does not correspond to the pictures. It's not the first time that it happens to me. It happened to me 2 times. When I bought my pink Speedy Chanel bowling bag, and it happened when I bought my Chanel chocolate bar in gold. What happened is I bought the item, it arrived at the Vestiaire Collective headquarters, and they checked, and the bag didn't correspond to what the seller put in the description. For the pink bowling, the seller wrote the bag was it was like 40 centimeter in wide, and the bag was actually pretty small. To be honest, I never really check, the dimensions they put, but I knew the bag was the smaller one, so I confirmed the purchase, and I just said, yeah, just ship to me, it's okay, I can accept that. And when I bought the chocolate bar one, the chains, the leather on the chains, they were, and my battery is going to die in 1, 2, 3. Pew! And I am back with a new battery. I wish batteries could, live forever. So I was talking about the Chanel chocolate bar in gold. So when the bag arrived at Vestiaire Collective, they checked and they sent me a few pictures because they do a little report something. And with the pictures, like close-up pictures in the defaults, and they said, oh, the leather strap is unstitched, it's unglued, and you have the possibility to cancel your purchase, or we offer you a 150 discount code, or they refund me the money. I don't remember very well, but I was like, okay, I can stitch it myself, so just send me the bag and give me my money back. I think they refunded me 150. So I think it was really, like, I was really happy, to buy through Vestiaire, because in these two situations, they could really help me and make me feel more comfortable about my purchase. Because as you could, if you watched the video about the Coco Rain bag that I bought, and I thought it was leather, but it was rubber, so plastic, and there were some stains on it that I couldn't see on the pictures. I was a little bit disappointed. So, and it's always, when you receive a bag, you have to pay the customs, and if you have to sell it back, you have to pay the shipping. You cannot really get your money back from the customs, etc. So it can be very, very, very painful. So yeah, you better be sure and read well before you buy the bag. Coming back to today's drama, I bought these Ferragamo bags. I will put all the pictures and everything so you guys can see it. It's a bag made out of steel, metal. Yeah, you got it. Like stained, like not stained, but steel. Yeah. I will put the pictures. You will get it. And as I said, the seller said perfect condition, blah 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 blah. And I checked the pictures, and yeah, it looked real unused. And an unused bag means unused. It's a bag you have never worn. The price was sexy, 250, 80. I bought it. I was in the bus going to work. I was like, oh my God, it's so cool. I was already, seeing myself here with the bag. Guys, see, wow, I'm excited. And 2 days ago, I received an email from Vestiaire Collective. They report thing like, how they call this? It's a report, yeah. It's just, and they said it's written in French, of course, and it was written the quality control report is ready. So when you receive this, you're like, there's a problem. And they write a whole text, blah blah blah. So then you can consult the report. And yeah, it's written in English, quality control report. So I will put the pictures here. They will show you, like close up pictures of what they found. And on this bag, they found that the hardware was quite scratched. And I was like, When I saw that, I was like, And the second picture, a lot of scratches. And I was like, I don't know. I almost said, I will keep the bag. It's okay. But then I zoomed in the corner of the bag, and I saw that a piece of the metal was missing in the front. So I was like, I don't want to, even if the bag was cheap, I didn't want to have this big thing, missing in the front of the bag. So I said, you know what? Let's just cancel it. Give me my money back. I have other targets. So voila, I just made Amen, RIP. Next, let's move on. And normally when it happens, I have the feeling that I always had the feeling when it arrives, Vestiaire Collective, they keep the bag, because I know that Vestiaire Collective themselves, they sell bags and accessories, because you can see sometimes when it's Vestiaire Collective that is selling. So I thought that they will keep the bag, put it on, for sale again with a lower price and better pictures. And it's bizarre because I just have to check if the seller is the same person. I didn't check it, but I saw, and I didn't keep the listing. Very smart, Barbara. Maybe it got sold. Maybe, I don't know. Because I saw the bag was listed again with better pictures. And on the pictures, on the new pictures, I could see even more damage, even more scratches, even more metal things missing. So I was like, okay, maybe it's another bag, but it's very bizarre. I'll try to find all the info. But I really have the feeling that Vestiaire Collective said the buyer canceled the purchase. Thank you, we will send the bag back, and the seller took better pictures to try to sell the bag again, which is a really high possibility. I just have a little doubt about this because it was really like fast. I canceled, and it's like the next day the bag was back to UK. I don't know, DHL, yes, maybe, I don't know, but voila, I was a little bit disappointed, but I was really happy. I was able, to have this support, and that Vestiaire Collective could, like, save my life. Because I know I will be really upset with this bag, because it's a special, material, and I really wanted it to be like almost pristine. Because if I have like big scratches on the bag, it's not like leather. You can put a little cream and a little something. No, you cannot repair it. So that's why. And this is also something, when you buy vintage and secondhand. I know I'm not a picky buyer. I do never really ask for extra pictures. I do not, unless I really have, I cannot see the inside or something. But normally I never asked for more pictures. But when you buy from private sellers, you should always ask for more pictures, because the problem with private sellers, they will never really, take all the pictures, all the details, all the scratches, all the things. And professional sellers, they will. Why? Because they don't have time. If they have, I don't know, 1,000 listings, they don't have time, to upload just 1-2 pictures. And then a lot of people will ask them for more pictures. Even it arrived once with a Japanese seller. I wanted an extra picture, and they said, I'm sorry, the bag is already, in the box, ready to ship. We cannot take an extra picture. So I don't remember if I bought it or if I didn't. I just, like said, okay, bye, thank you, next. But normally professional sellers, they will put a zillion good quality pictures, so they avoid all the extra, demands from potential buyers. And private sellers, they will put less pictures because they are not very used to it, and they might think it's not really, they don't have, to do it, because you can see the bag, so why you want the details? So yeah, my advice is, with private sellers, always ask for better pictures. From now, even if I'm buying on Vestiaire Collective, if I cannot really zoom in, etc., I will be asking for extra pictures, even if I know they have a really good quality control team, because it happened 3 times, and they really stopped the item. They did, the check, and they were able to give me a solution. So that's great. And yes, I like Vestiaire Collective. There is mixed feelings about the platform. I will be doing video about Vestiaire Collective and what I think about it. I think in general is a really good platform. Is it 100% safe? not real. I have seen fakes on Vestiaire Collective. I hope they could, go to Vestiaire Collective and, they could not pass the quality control tests. And yes, when you sell on Vestiaire Collective, it's painful because you have to pay a high commission to the platform. So yes, always with every service and product, you always have good things and bad things. But yes, voila for my drama number 2, number 3 of the year. And it's a happy end. I'm glad, go back to your mother's house, leave me alone. I will invest my money in something better. Voila, guys, I hope you liked it. Little story times. I don't know if you guys like this kind of video, if it's like helpful, useful, interesting. Let me know. If I'm really trying to not only do like unboxings, because it's not very super always exciting. So yes, let me know what you think about this kind of video, and je vous dis à la prochaine vidéo. I see you in the next video very soon, and je vous fais des gros bisous. Bisous, bisous. Bye.